Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jones Castro here. Violence rises, Gaza's pain deepens. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for elite insights. Follow on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. As deadly violations intensify, Israel has killed 7 Palestinians in Gaza, pushing families into deeper fear and uncertainty, according to the latest update from Al Jazeera. The situation continues to worsen as strikes hit crowded areas, leaving civilians with nowhere safe to turn. Reports reveal escalating clashes, damaged homes, and overwhelmed medical teams struggling to treat the injured. People across Gaza say the violence is becoming unbearable, with each day bringing new losses and rising despair. Thank you.